Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.2.22 Cost and Fabrication Methodology. This is a pragmatic theoretical methodology. Sections are understood best by examining a wall-cased fixture. Fabrication is by sections, components, and parts. Construction starts at the bottom left corner of the fixture. For example, the kick may be built as one component, the base may be 4 components across the fixture width, or the kick may be constructed as multiple components if that alternative provides more efficiency. The fabrication method selected provides resolutions to issues of design, packing, delivery, and installation. Another example is the decision to fabricate the display as part of or separately from the base. The same considerations apply to the bulkhead and light boxes, which may be fabricated individually or included in other components. Fabricating in sections is a method to build major parts simultaneously, control the size of each component, and facilitate efficient shipping and installation. Defining sections accurately is important to cost accuracy. This example 1.1.22 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.2.23.